without drugs and alcohol, regardless of peer pressure. I would like to go to school and learn without being interrupted by the problem of drugs and alcohol. I pledge not to use drugs, alcohol or cigarettes because I can make my dreams come true if I stay drug free and believe in yourself. I pledge to learn about the harms of drugs and to educate my peers the truth about the harmful effects. I pledge to set a good example. I pledge to respect my body and mind. Thank you.